Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and as you can see, I am in Cura, and I want to show you something interesting I found. So, my friends, I've been using Cura forever. I've used it with my Ender 3, Delta Go, all kinds of printers. If you are adding a printer, you simply click this button, choose Add a Printer, and then if you do non-networked, you can scroll down and actually find some printers that are from the company. So if I scroll down far enough, I'll find Creality 3D, and I can launch the Ender 3, and I can bring it in. It has all kinds of settings built in, and it's ready to go. I'm just going to click Next on this button, but then I'm also going to add it a second way. So I'm going to do Add Printer. I'm going to still do non-networked. This time I'm going to choose Custom, and instead of Custom FFF, I'm going to put My Ender 3. All I do with this custom one is simply change the settings. So it's 220, 220, 250. And then I like the extruder, you have to always change that setting to 1.75 because we use different filament than Ultimaker uses. I'm going to tell it next, and then I want to show you why I did this. If we hit Creality Ender 3, this is their profile. It's got a 0.4 millimeter nozzle. I'm doing PLA. I'm doing, instead of standard, I want a custom quality. It comes with a 0.28 millimeter quality. I want to instead do 0.3. So I'm going to change that number to 0.3. I'm going to keep 0.82. I'm going to change this to 0.8, and it'll wrap to 0.8 for both. My bottom layers are 3, that's fine. I'm going to change my infill to 10% because I'm always in a hurry. I'm going to switch to grid because that's what I use on the other one. I'm going to keep the 200 and I'm going to keep the 60. And I'm going to do 60%. And then finally, when I move down to build plate adhesion, I want to skirt 3 lines 10 millimeters apart. So this is the setting I like. I'm going to click this little down arrow and I'm going to save this. So I'm going to create a profile for that called My Ender 3. 0.3M. So I've got it stored with all my settings I like. So we go through all of that so that I can show you this little project. I have got this little robot that I've created that I enjoy printing. When I bring him in, he says HLModTech. He says get cracking on the back. And then here's the part that I've always been proud of. I've had him printing for years in 1 hour. But check it out, with the Creality settings, it's 1 hour and 44. That's an extra 44 minutes. So I was confused because all of a sudden this happened after I put in a new computer and I brought in Cura again. Well, check this out. If I switch to My Ender 3 and then change the settings to the extra fast 0.3, it does its little software slicing, and just like that, my friends, it goes down to 1 hour. And I've printed this many times. It comes out really slick. Alrighty, friends, so right here you have the Ender 3 actually printing, another one as we speak. This is a version from before I changed the filament from blue to silver. You can see it moves in every direction the head prints, and on the back it has the awesome little get cracking phrase from the YouTube channel. Fun, and like we said, prints in 1 hour instead of 1 hour and 44. I don't know about you, but anytime I can save 40 minutes of printing time, that is a win. So my friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.